Howdy, I'm Major Frank Zastoupil, call sign Chomps, and I'm Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman for the 2020 season. I think the biggest lesson learned is that to never quit, to never let good enough get in the way of better, to always strive to be the best version of yourself that you can be. And I think the Blue Angels is the perfect way to do that. Every single day you have to strive to be the best you that you can, to support the guys and girls around you. This is a huge team here. We have 16 officers and 140 plus enlisted sailors and Marines that build this team, and the camaraderie here is incredible, like nothing I've ever experienced before in my entire life. Without you striving every single day to be the best version of you, this team would not operate. It takes every single person operating at their best possible example to make this team work.